In this video, I'll show you a structured methodology to solve Certified Protection Professional exam questions using a risk-based framework aligned with principles from ASIS International. We'll introduce a risk-based decision framework specifically designed to cut through the complexity of the Certified Protection Professional exam. This structured methodology helps you consistently choose the most correct answer, not just a plausible one. The framework is built around the fundamental principles and domains established by ASIS International, ensuring relevance to the exam content. So why is the CPP exam challenging in the first place? It's not just about recalling facts. The CPP exam uses challenging scenario-based questions where multiple answers look correct. The key is not knowledge alone, but applying the right judgment. A CPP professional must adopt a specific mindset, thinking in terms of risk, legal implications, business continuity, and ethical decision-making. This holistic view is crucial. Now let's walk through the 5-step framework we will use for every question. The first 3 steps are: identify the core risk, understand the legal or operational context, and define the primary security objective. The final 2 steps involve eliminating the weak options and then selecting the best mitigation strategy that aligns with your risk assessment. Let's apply this structured framework to a classic sample CPP question. The question is, an organization experiences repeated unauthorized access attempts to its data center. What should the security manager do first? Pause and think before we solve it. The primary risk is unauthorized access to the data center, a critical asset. The objective is to understand the vulnerability and protect the asset, not rush into action. Now we move to the final steps: eliminating options and selecting the best course of action. Increasing guards, installing systems, or calling law enforcement are all reactive or premature steps. They skip the necessary analysis. The correct answer is conducting a risk assessment, which is the foundational first step in security management. Why is this the best choice? Because a proper risk assessment ensures that any subsequent controls are effective, justified, and data-driven. In professional security management, you must always assess the risk severity and root cause before implementing costly or time-consuming controls. This aligns with all best practices. CPP questions often set traps, tempting you toward immediate action or over-reliance on technology. Remember the structured, analytical approach. This framework is your key to mastering scenario-based CPP questions. I urge you to commit to using this 5-step standard template for every question you practice: risk, context, objective, elimination, and best action. Start thinking like a security leader, not just a test taker. Subscribe for the full CPP video series to apply this framework across all ASIS domains.